Business owners, here's the information you need to apply for the Small Business Paycheck Protection Program under the $2.2 trillion virus stimulus bill. I've compiled some information for you on this loan, so let's get into it. The Paycheck Protection Program, I'm going to call it the PPP program to keep it short. This loan is part of the virus stimulus package. There is $349 billion available to small businesses. Here's the criteria. You must have less than 500 employees, and this includes nonprofits, sole proprietors, self-employed, independent contractors, also known as gig economy workers, and veteran organizations. You must prove that your business has been affected by the virus slowdown. And I'm thinking being designated a non-essential business should be sufficient enough to prove that you were affected by the virus. And of course, a screenshot of your mayor or your governor stating that your business was considered non-essential and it needed to shut down. You had to have been in business as of February 15th to be eligible. Your credit score will be evaluated, but lenders will not require collateral or personal guarantees. Start applying for the loans on Friday, April 3rd, 2020, and the money will be given on a first-come, first-served basis. So please do not delay. This is every small business in the United States that's been affected by the virus. There's $349 billion set aside in this program. Once the money's gone, that's it. The amount you can borrow can be up to 2.5 times your average monthly payroll costs. The maximum amount you can request is $10 million. Definition of payroll costs include salaries, bonus, retirement benefits, parental leave, and health care benefits. Salaries in excess of $100,000 is excluded from payroll calculations. Now, the question is, do you have to pay back the loan? According to Fortune magazine, borrowed money used for expenses related to payroll, mortgage interest, rent, or utilities in the 8 weeks following the date of origination can be forgiven, meaning business owners will not have to pay the government back for the full principal amount of the money borrowed. You need to provide documentation of these expenses in the loan forgiveness application. I will put a link here where you can get a sample application from the Small Business Administration. A decision on forgiveness of the PPP loan will be made within 60 days of the forgiveness submission. This loan may be forgiven, some or all of it, but you must ask for forgiveness. Don't just assume that, well, I've got the loan, I've completed the requirements. Why am I getting a bill for this loan? No, you have to submit something in writing requesting that you would like forgiveness on the loan. And that will be one of my questions that I would ask my lender. The Treasury Secretary stated that the loans will be forgiven as long as the funds are used to keep employees on the payroll and certain other expenses like mortgage interest and rent and things like that. Where do business owners go to apply for the loan? Businesses can go to a participating SBA 7A lender, bank or credit union, and apply for the loan. There is no cost to apply for this loan. Your business will be charged a fixed interest rate. According to Fortune magazine, that fixed interest rate on the PPP loan will be 0.5%. The first payment is deferred for 6 months. How long will it take to get the money? The loan will be approved more quickly than other SBA-backed loans, and according to the Treasury Secretary, in some cases, you can apply for the loan and get the money within a day or two. That's all the information I have on the Small Business Paycheck Protection Program, the PPP loan as part of the $2.5 billion virus stimulus package. In my next video, I'm going to talk about scams and how to prevent you guys from becoming a victim. I ran into something that I thought was a scam, and I called out the person who posted it. I'll tell you about that in my next video. Thanks for watching.